Hi there. Welcome to this tutorial on how to learn SEO. SEO, or search engine optimization, is the process of improving the ranking of a website or web page in search engines like Google, Bing, and Yahoo. It's an essential skill for any business or individual looking to increase their online visibility and drive traffic to their website. So, how do you get started with learning SEO? Here are some tips. Understand the basics. Start by familiarizing yourself with the basics of SEO. This includes understanding how search engines work, the different types of SEO, for example, on-page, off-page, and the various ranking factors that impact a website's ranking. Use SEO tools. There are a variety of SEO tools available that can help you understand your website's performance and identify areas for improvement. Some popular tools include Google Analytics, Ahrefs, and SEMrush. Stay up to date. SEO is constantly evolving, so it's important to stay up to date with the latest trends and best practices. Follow industry blogs and attend conferences or webinars to stay informed. Practice, practice, practice. The best way to learn SEO is to get hands-on experience. Set up a website or blog and start experimenting with different SEO techniques. This will give you a feel for how SEO works and help you understand the impact of your efforts. Seek out resources. There are a ton of resources available to help you learn SEO, including online courses, books, and articles. Take advantage of these resources to deepen your understanding of SEO and continue learning as you grow in your career. By following these tips and consistently practicing and learning, you can become an SEO expert in no time. Good luck on your journey to mastering SEO.